Today we have a Stihl chainsaw without any identifying marks, which resembles the 290 model. We need to perform a general inspection, service it, and try to start it. We'll begin by removing the carburetor, then take off the muffler and check the condition of the piston assembly. Unfortunately, one of the muffler mounting nuts wouldn't come off until the very end, so we'll have to replace that bolt. The piston assembly is in good condition, so we can move on to the carburetor. First, we'll check the cleanliness of the carburetor screen. It's as clean as the customer's tear, but under the gasket we found a lot of debris. We'll clean it out and replace the gasket as well. We're assembling the carburetor, cleaning the air filter, blowing out the housing, and putting everything back in place. Here's what happened to one of the muffler mounts. We've replaced it and are reinstalling the muffler. The final touch will be replacing the fuel filter and the fuel tank cap. Everything's ready. Time to start it up.